What's up, y'all? It's your girl KB. We back with another tutorial, and as you can see, I got some samples. Let me make sure. Okay, we good. So if y'all want to see how I made this sample, then just you know what I'm saying? How do I zoom out? Just click the it's gonna be a thingamabob that I have. How do you zoom out here? As you can see, I have a sample here. If you guys would like to know the sample of this, feel free to check out the video that I have on my YouTube. Alt Control Control. Oh, this is what I want, chat. Okay, we got it. Alt and Control. Bet. So I was kind of getting inspiration from Nocap, drowning my styrofoam. So I know that he didn't use much. He probably used a real acoustic guitar. I just used an automated one on GarageBand. But yeah, so I think, let me see, the rest of what he used was like a bass, I think. Yeah, so it wasn't much. It was a kick. So let's save this for one, because we don't want no issues. And we're just gonna make it this, right? And so let's start with the kick. The kick is pretty real, right? So okay, we almost getting that, chat. Like when I find it, I'll get back with y'all. Actually, we're gonna go with that one. That one's pretty. Okay, so he had one like after every 4, basically. Let's what did I just do? Let's turn this up real quick so I can hear the kick. I can't really hear the kick. So in order to hear it, you just wanna add a compressor on it. I need to make that a favorite, actually. Right? And then you wanna turn it down. Basically, you brought my So now he had like a rim, I remember. Rim. Yeah, that's the basic rim too. Shout out to yeah, basically. So you want to take that, right? Control B that thing. We're gonna turn that up too. Next, we need the bass, right? So the bass, I think he had a regular whatchamacallit, like whatchamacallit bass. Yeah, so let's tweak with that. I think the next note I used was like G sharp or something. Yeah. Right, and then the hell. Oh, ha. Alright, let's split this, y'all. Cause I'm starting to add new shit. Yeah, I know we gotta compress that bit. Let's put it on 10. I separated these two, by the way, before I exported them from GarageBand, because this one is the main, this one is 1, that's 2, so that's like the lower ad libs, and then this is the pad, and I edited kind of a little bit, but yeah. So 10, we're gonna put a compressor on that one. I know y'all probably like compress, but shit. Okay, so the bass is different. That's different. That's something right now. I'm ready to write something right now. So let's copy all that, right? And let's just see what we can get. Alright, we're gonna make a climax on it. So we're gonna take these kicks out. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna actually we're gonna put the kick right here. And then the bass gonna come in. Now I actually might add some reverb to this main guitar. It already sounds like reverby, but just to add a little bit more spice. A little bit more spice. Put that on there. Yeah, that shit slapping. I might turn this pad up too. Let's do that one. Right. That's gonna go on 25. Y'all know I gotta compress. Alright, y'all, if y'all enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I will be also recording the vocals for this beat. I will drop that somewhere sometime, so be on the lookout for that. But in the meantime, I'll go ahead and drop this video probably let's see, tomorrow. It is New Year's, so happy New Year's. Yeah, I'm getting back on my beat shit with like dropping more beat content for y'all, tutorials and stuff. So yeah, so thank y'all for watching this video, and see ya.